everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make leaf cityscape photo manipulation effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing Instagram post square format as my canvas. From here I will choose a leaf which will suit our design. Okay, so I will write here leaf cutout and go to photos, and I will use this image. The cutout keyword goes in green leaf cutout, and as you can see it is free to use for Canva Pro. But if you are not having Canva Pro, you can just download from any other third-party apps and use it. Okay, so I will just use this image here. I will just rotate. Okay, and bring it in the canvas. Make it slightly smaller, and as I have rotated it, I will save it first. But as you know that you can't just directly save any graphics or any photo directly in Canva, so I will just use a simple star here. Okay, just make it smaller as it can be. Move it to the corner and just click on download. Make sure it is in transparent background and click on download. So the downloading is done here. Okay, and after that I will just bring the downloaded image in the second page. I will just upload it. And make it bigger, and I will crop out the part which is not required. And now I will work on the cityscape tutorial. So let's here come to elements, and here I will write monuments silhouette. I hope I am pronouncing it right. If I am pronouncing it wrong, please do correct me in the comments. And I will go to graphics here, and here I will choose the second one, which is Silhouette's famous monuments of India, and I will just bring it here, and I will change the color to white. So how I can change it? So I will go to edit, then I will go to duotone, custom, make both the colors to white. Okay, so here it is done. Let's wait for it to get saved. So the saving is also done. Now I will crop out the part which is not required, the icons which are present above the monuments. I will just crop it. Okay, and now I will just flip horizontal. Okay, and just bring it here, make it slightly bigger. Use the keyboard keys to just align it properly. Okay, and after that I will use this icon, which is, as you can see, Sydney Opera House. So I will bring it just here. Again, flip it horizontal and place it right beside this element. So the main trick here is, so let's first change it to white and let's show you the trick here. So the main trick here is, make sure all the elements are below the leaf layer, because if it is just going above it, the effect will not be possible. Okay, so I will just make it slightly upward and align it properly. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will just unzoom it. After that I will just duplicate the page, and in the next page I will just go to elements here and just search for a shape, and I will just cover the monuments which are added here. Okay, and make sure the color is yellow. Okay, and just delete the leaf layer and go to layers and click on send backward. So this one is done. Now I will go to share and click on download, and make sure you are downloading only the second page and not the first page. So when the downloading is done, I will just add the page, and I will just add it at the image here, and click on it, click on background remover. Okay, so background is removed. Now I will just make it to the same shape of the canvas and just crop out the parts which are not required. And after that I will just bring the leaf layer by just copying it using Ctrl+C, and by pasting it on the third page using Ctrl+V, and I will just go to layers and send to back. And as you can see in here, the leaf is covered, and now I will just crop out the leaf part which are not covering the monument here. Okay, so it is done. Now after that I will also change the background color to the same yellow color. Okay, now I will download it again. Download only the page 3. Okay, add page, add the cityscape here, and now I can just remove the yellow color background, and in here I will just use the background remover. So as you can see, the background is removed. Now we'll make to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and now I will copy the leaf again and paste in here. So as you can see, the leaf is pasted. Now I will just crop out the parts of the leaf which are not required in here. So as you can see, the cropping is done and the cityscape is perfectly ready and just looking a good design for you. And if you want, just move the icons a bit so that you can arrange it properly. And now is finally ready, and you can just change the backgrounds and check if it is working fine or not. Let's work on it. Let's change the background here by just cropping out. Okay, so let's change the background. So as you can see, the effect is working absolutely fine, and I hope you like this tutorial, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which part of the tutorial you like the most, and we will meet in next tutorial very shortly. Thank you.